Live on 4/28/2026, I am doing our 2025-26 Topps Chrome Basketball Mega 5-box break number 2. This one sold out and been waiting for it, and here it is. Who's got who in the break? Dennis J has the Hawks, David S with the Celtics, Dennis J with the Nets, Stephen P has the Hornets, Dennis J has the Bulls and the Cavs, and Dylan C has the Mavericks. We got Ben W with the Nuggets, Dennis J with the Pistons and the Warriors, Ben W with the Rockets, Dennis J Pacers, Clippers, and Lakers, Milton L with the Grizzlies, Dennis J has the Heat and the Bucks, Ben W with the T-Wolves, Milton L Newbreaker with the Pelicans, Dennis J Knicks, Christopher M with the Thunder, Ben W with the Magic. We got Christopher M with the Sixers, James H with the Suns, Dennis J has the Blazers and the Kings, Steve P with the Spurs, Dennis J Raptors and Jazz, and Andrew W has the Wizards. Guys, all cards ship in every one of our breaks. Hits are going to be autos, relics, and the blue X-Fractors that you see are limited to this. Good luck, guys. Thanks for filling it up and your patience as finally got time to go live with it. Guys, lots of basketball on the site, including the new Bowman. Gonna rip some of that, I hope we can get it down. Next week, and this weekend, I'm gonna be changing the table setup and everything in here, so a couple weeks I'll be live again, but nothing's really close to sold out yet. So be on the lookout for the next breaks once stuff starts selling. But like I said, doing a little remodeling in here anyway. Maybe get some new lighting. We'll see. Alright, there's our 5 boxes. There's 42 cards per box. This break is brought to you by SBB, and Blowout Cards is where we got this one from. Box 3. Box 4. Box 5. Okay. Opening the packs. Mic unclipped. Can we get one auto at least? right, box 4 done. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. Again, every card's going to ship. All right, let's get focus here. I think that looks good. You got Shaq. Kate Cunningham Ballers. X-Fractor Jalen Green. White Chrome. Alright, we got a Lava coming. We got a Shaq X-Fractor. And Dante DiVincenzo Lava. Domantas Sabonis. Klay Thompson. You got a Dirk insert. Miles Turner. Ooh, there's one. How about a... Is that... Oh, I couldn't see the end. The end's in the short. I'm like, is that like some kind of abbreviation? KO Canupel? Canipple? So that's a chrome one. Or silver, whatever you want to call it. They call it refractor. But there you go. Refractor going to the Hornets. Who's got the Hornets? It's Stephen P. Adam Bona. Here's another Lava of Grant Williams. We got something here. Look at this one. Jaden Hardy. I don't know what parallel that is. A couple more of the X-Fractors. Amari Williams. Solano. I'll look that one up. I don't remember ever seeing that one. All right, let's go to box 2 here. Keegan Murray, Stephen Castle. There's a Cooper Flag insert. Chet Holmgren. There's a Lava of Kevin Garnett. Tim Little, Paolo Banchero. Murray Boyles there. Tyler Hero. Jace Richardson. Chaz Lanier. Another Lava, Josh Green. Here's an auto. Bryce Sensabaugh. Stratospheric auto green to 99 for Utah and Dennis J. Congrats, Dennis. We did get an auto. Yeah, buddy. That's the 99. a Cooper insert in a holder. Like I said, I gotta look this one up. All right, let's go on to box 3 here. Jaylen Brown insert. Kyrie Serenity, Lava Tyler Kolek. Danny Wolf. Again, all of these are going to ship. Well, I thought this was an auto too. Inspiration insert of Anthony Davis. Bonchero. I see something there. I know he pulled another Bonchero, but I didn't think it looked like that. Oh, it did. It was an X-Fractor, that's why. Okay, that's why I saw it different. Well, at least I'm not nuts. Okay. Oh, another one of those. Jalen Williams. Derek Lively. Purple. All right, here we go. What's the purple? Carter Bryant, rookie to 75 for the Spurs. And that's Stephen P. getting that one. Card looks like the scenery in this one looks so fake. All right. So a color one out of there. All right, 2 boxes to go. Guys, like I said, everything on the site is filling, and as long as the space is sold, we will break it. It's just that it has to get sold out. And this weekend, I'm basically taking the office apart a little bit. Going to get a new table set up, I think, in here and stuff. So it's going to be a couple weeks before I'm live again, but these will get shipped out. There's a Cooper Flag rookie. There's an Ace Bailey X-Fractor rookie. How about a teal Dyson Daniels to 299. Hawks Dennis J. So our second numbered card in 4 boxes. That's not what I wanted to do at all. All right. Rocco Zakarski. Chris Jr. Shaq. Dario Saric. Jonathan Isaac. Lava of Peyton Pritchard. Bronny James, X-Fractor, and Lonzo Ball. All right, we got 1 box to go. Take a couple sleeves out here. We'll put Bronny's X-Fractor in a holder, just because. All right, here we go. See if we can get one more auto out of these 4 boxes, or 5 boxes. Dylan Harper, rookie. That's a nice one. Insert. There's a Cooper Flag, Ball Duty, rookie. Ball of Duty? Ball of Duty, like Call of Duty. I get it. Anyway, that's our third Cooper rookie out of 5 boxes. Put the Dylan Harper insert also here. Alright. Back through these again. Make sure. I think we already did. Yeah. Okay. And then back through this. Nothing there. Any color or anything? I don't see anything the rest of the way. Jokic, X-Factor, and Brooke Barnheiser ends it. All right, not bad. Auto out of it, a couple colors, bunch of Coopers, a silver refractor of Knipple. Appreciate you guys filling up. Lots of basketball on the site. Bowman, Finest, all of it on there. Check it out. Appreciate you guys filling it up. Get it shipped out this week and early next week.